Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another dual form video. This is part 2. If you have not yet seen my very first video using these dual forms, I will have a link of it in the iCards, or I will have a space so you can just immediately click on it. So do go and check it out. So first things first, I'll be reading the instruction manual. I have not read the instruction manual. I might have skimmed through it, but I have not read in depth the instructions. You know, the professional in me knows what actually is going on, but deep down don't know nothing. So I'll be reading the instruction manual that I got from the Polygel kit. As I said, I have not read it in depth, so you know, today is the day that I will be reading it in depth, and I will be following through with the instructions. So I'll be using the entire polygel system from Astound Beauty, so I won't be using any alcohol. So I'll have a slip solution, which I'm very excited about. I think it works wonders. It works so well. So on the instruction manual, it first said you need to push back the cuticles. So I'll be pushing back all 5 cuticles. So if you guys realize, I'm using my non-dominant hand to do my dominant hand, so it's going to create a little bit of a trouble, so bear with me. And I guess this is where the exciting part comes in. It's kind of a bit challenging. So we'll push back all the cuticles on my right hand. So moving on, I will then take my drill to do the extra prep work around the cuticle areas. This part is optional. It's up to you if you want to do this part. If you don't have the drill, it is fine. So I did this because I recently did a soak off and there was some residue around the nails and the pusher wasn't doing justice. And then again, I was using my left hand to do my right hand. So you know, say it's a total disaster that is about to happen. So I went in with my cuticle drill and went around the cuticle area. After using my nail drill, I'll now take my emery board and rough my nails, and then I will remove the dust either with a dry tissue or a manicure brush. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you have made it this far in my video, please subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you will get notified each and every time I post. And also, I post twice a week, every week, and you also can follow me on my social media because I tend to post more over there, and just hit that like button. So then now I will take my base coat and give it a nice thin coat. Then I'll cure it for seconds. Usually I will cure it for 30 seconds due to the fact that my lamp is a 54 watt, which the cure time is quick and it cures it pretty well. I'm loving my lamp. I'm loving that, you know, I kind of switch my life out from the regular polish, even though I know I love my polish. I'm so happy about that. So I'll go ahead and choose a dual form that will fit my nail size. Guys, I will recommend that you go a size bigger than your actual nail size is. You get a better finish, you get a better end product. You see, because this is my second attempt, you know, you kind of live and learn from your mistakes. And next time when I am doing these forms, these dual forms, or using these dual forms, I'll go a size larger for a wonderful end product. I will now squeeze the polygel into the dual form. Then I'll dip my brush into the slip solution, which is life, and a cup of tea. That's life right there. And gently pat and mold the gel into the length and shape that you want. I mean, I wasn't going extra out here in the streets because this was like my second time trying it and it came out pretty bomb. I'm really excited about the end product. I was taken aback because right now I have patience. Patience wasn't doing it the first time. I expected to get it at the first time, and bro, no, it never happened. It never occurred. Then I applied the foam to my nail from the cuticle, which I obviously did not do. I did the total opposite, and I added really close to the cuticle area. So I recently saw a video on YouTube where this, I don't know her, I will find the link and put it down below, or put it on screen. She did a marvelous job. I love her work when she's using polygel. The way that she did it is very genius, and I'm thinking about doing this polygel thing again with the dual form and trying her method. It's really good. So if you're disobedient like you know you have to clean up around the cuticles because you just done made a mess. So you'll clean it up before curing the nails. This is what I did not know. Apparently you're supposed to cure for 60 seconds to 2 minutes on the nail surface area, and then another 30 seconds underneath the nail. All who never know that, now you know. Hence why you need to read the instruction manuals that you. So then I will remove the dual form. This part I was so excited about. I will insert a natural raw clip of me reacting to the removal of the dual form. Baby! Oh, this is nice. But the only problem is that that's not an issue. Fire on the edges. I mean, I was pretty impressed at the end of the day. I was very proud of myself. I thought that it was going to happen again. What happened to me in my previous dual form videos was going to happen to me again. I was very impressed. But the only issue that arose after the curing process, after the removal of the dual form, that there was some buildup under the nails, which could have been resolved, and it over time, you know, you will grow, learn, and all the above. So then I will repeat the whole process again. I'll be using, this time around I'll be using 2 polygels. I might not show it in the clips, but I'll be using a change color and the apricot. Apricot I love. It's such a nice natural pink color. I love it. So I'll repeat the step on the rest of the fingers, and I will be back. As you guys may have known or seen on my very previous video with these dual forms, I kind of did shut it down. I didn't want to have anything to do with the dual forms afterwards, but I said I will give it a second chance, and it really did redeem itself to me. And now I feel embarrassed. Like, girl, you're too impatient. You're too impatient. You need to stop. You need to stop being impatient. One time not gonna always, you know, happen. The buck up not gonna happen always. You need to be patient. So now all the greatness has been done. I will now shape, buff, and top coat. So once again, guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Berry Beauty, where I take my hands and create fashion, make fashion. I love doing DIYs. I love challenging myself. I love it all. I love everything about beauty, doing nails, making people pretty. I love it all. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified each and every time I post. And don't forget to like this video. Bye, guys.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.